Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial on how you can fix audio not downloading issue on your WhatsApp application. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then open up your WhatsApp application and then tap on the chat page. You can see this is the voice note that the other person has sent to me. In case you try to play it and then it does not download, or in case you're not able to listen to it, so then the first reason might be that you're not connected with your internet service. In case you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to do that. So make sure to check your internet connection. And then the other thing might be that you haven't updated your WhatsApp application. So in order to update, head back to your home screen and then open up your Play Store application. After you open up your Play Store application, on the search box type in WhatsApp, and right over here you'll have to make sure whether the app is updated or not. In case if you have update, which means that the update is available, sometimes just an update might be able to fix your issue. In case you're not able to fix it, then the other thing what you can do is simply head back to your home screen and then long press on your WhatsApp application. After that, tap on app info. Once you're in this page, scroll down and then tap on permission. And once you tap on app permission, so right over here you'll have to make sure that all of these features are enabled. In case any of these features are denied, then it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to fix it. And after you've enabled all of your permission, you might also want to tap on storage. Once you do that, tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, you might also want to tap on clear data. Keeping in mind, once you tap on clear data, you'll have to log in into your account once again, and after that you might be able to fix your issue. Instead of trying all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then there are two different alternatives which you can give it a try. That is, just by restarting your device, it might be able to solve the issue. So the other thing what you can do is you can simply reinstall your WhatsApp application. So those are the few methods on how you can fix audio not downloading issue on your WhatsApp application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.